Welcome to our channel where we make selling on Bonanza simple and easy for you. Welcome to our channel where we make selling on Bonanza simple and easy for you. If you are new to Bonanza and ready to start selling, the first step is logging into your Bonanza seller account. Let us guide you through the process step by step so you can get started without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Bonanza website. Make sure you type in the correct URL to avoid any phishing sites. Once you are on the home page, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to be taken to the Login page. On the Login page, you will see the fields where you need to enter your credentials. Input your registered email address in the first field. This should be the email you used when creating your Bonanza seller account. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure your password is correct, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters since passwords are case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, below the password field, there is a Forgot Password link. Click this link and follow the instructions to reset your password via your email. Once you are confident that your login information is correct, click on the Sign In button to access your seller dashboard. After successful login, you will be redirected to your Bonanza seller dashboard where you can manage your listings, view sales, and access promotional tools to grow your business. To keep your account secure, always log out of your Bonanza seller account when you finish your session, especially if you are using a public or shared computer. Simply click on your account name or profile icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Following these clear steps will ensure you can easily and safely access your Bonanza seller account anytime you need. Starting your journey as a Bonanza seller begins with this simple login process, and soon you will be ready to list items and attract buyers around the world. Remember, consistent practice makes perfect, so get comfortable logging in and exploring your seller dashboard.